Blue Jay sound tutorial by voice. You can actually hear one in the distance. So basically, you want your teeth closed. This is a whistle, and you want your teeth kind of closed. It doesn't have to be touching, and your tongue right behind them, and your lips in the shape of a part way where your top teeth are exposed. And you want to have your tongue pretty much almost touching your teeth. Mouth wet, lips wet, gives a crispness to the sound. And then you burst out a k at the same time as your whistle. And it kind of starts off loud and it crescendos and goes down. It's almost like a fireworks sound. Anyway, Blue Jay.